Frustrated with the Otkloadr Library DLL pop-up blocking Office ToolKit, VSTO loader? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Otkloadr Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Otkloadr Library, the Office ToolKit loader. It manages the unmanaged localized loading of localized shared localized components for Microsoft Office 365, facilitating the localized orchestration of localized add-ins and localized task panes. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. A damaged or incomplete Office ToolKit VSTO loader installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of Office ToolKit VSTO loader to restore required files such as Otkloadr Library DLL to the application directory. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Otkloadr library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Most individual downloads of Otkloadr Library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Otkloadr Library and PC Health. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Otkloadr Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.